All right, thanks so much, guys. INX Digital, brand new as of yesterday, in fact, listing on the NEO exchange here in Toronto. We're very happy to have Chief Business Officer Douglas Borthwick with us today to tell us a little bit about the company. Douglas, great to have you. Welcome. This is an exciting day, obviously, yesterday. Congratulations, first off, on the listing. A lot of similarities here to the Coinbases of the world. Talk us through the platform, talk us through the business, the first regulated digital trading platform for cryptocurrencies, derivatives soon to come as well. Great to have you. Welcome.
It's great to be here. Thank you very much for having us. You know, INX is a name that's not very well known in Canada because we don't do any business in Canada, but certainly in the United States, what we've done is we worked with the SEC for about 950 days to do the first ever security token offering our IPO in the blockchain. We raised about $85 million about a year ago and used that to then buy a broker dealer, an ATS, a transfer agent. We also got into the cryptocurrency trading business where you can operate in 31 US states and territories. We also bought an interdealer broker. Our aim is to offer digital assets from all the way from retail all the way to institutions. We deal with something like 50 plus tier one banks. We also deal with individuals, but not only do we let them do cryptocurrency like a Coinbase, but also digital securities, which is a new thing, and you probably haven't heard much about them, but they're about to really take off. The SEC has said in public interviews that in the next 3 to 5 years, all assets, that's all trades that are sitting there on exchanges that you're trading today, will trade on the blockchain. And if that's the case, they said that about a year ago. So 2 to 4 years, everyone's going to be trading on the blockchain, your equities, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're an exchange that doesn't sleep. We're the only security on our security token that trades in the United States that's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And our belief is that soon you'll be able to trade equities, you'll be able to trade securities, you'll be able to trade cryptocurrencies, all of it, all the time, 24 hours a day. So you'll have to turn your name over to 24 Trader TV because it's about to go global in 24 hours.
Hey, listen, that's something that we would definitely be interested in doing. Douglas, let's talk a little bit about the fintech side of this because it is more, a fintech approach to this business, as you said. What benefits is the company gaining from the interdealer side of the business, being able to offer both sides all under one roof?
Well, look, banks right now want to trade the volatility in Bitcoin and Ethereum and these types of things, but they don't want to take delivery. You don't want to take delivery of a Bitcoin that was mined in, let's say, North Korea. So what they want is derivative products like NDFs, non-deliverable forwards. And we're working with a number of banks to come up with NDFs or non-deliverable forwards that allow them to build a tenor structure, like going out to 1 year, that they can then make into commercial paper so folks can buy Bitcoin without necessarily buying the Bitcoin. So creating derivative instruments, and the big banks, when they start trading in very large volume, and it's going to be a very high ticket item in terms of the brokerage that we'll be charging. So very, very exciting there.
Let's talk about the platform. Everyone obviously very interested in what they can expect as far as the actual tools that the company is going to offer for trading these instruments. Tell the viewers, I guess, what they can expect. I mean, you talked a little bit about Coinbase there, some of the similarities. Tell us a little bit about, what tools will be available for traders.
Well, there's going to be an app that's coming out in end of February, early March, and that's going to allow you to trade cryptocurrency. It's going to look very similar to what the competition have. But around July, August, we'll have another app that comes out that's going to have digital securities on it. And this thing's going to allow you to trade cryptocurrency, digital securities back and forth between the two, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This has never been done before. You haven't been able to take Bitcoin, switch it into dollars, take the dollars, buy a registered security in the United States, and then trade that over the weekend or of an evening. And our view is that this old game of 9 o'clock or 9:30 until 4 o'clock, it's an old game and it's tired. The only reason it's there, you have these times, is because people used to take a horse and cart in from New Jersey to the New York Stock Exchange and horse and cart back home in the evening. That's not the way we trade anymore. People trade cryptocurrency 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They trade FX 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Soon you're going to have securities trading that same sort of thing. They're going to trade in the blockchain, and we believe that we're, a market leader in this because we actually came up with the way that they can do it by doing and filing the first ever prospectus with the SEC to allow people to do something like that.
The digital security side of this business, very, very interesting. INXD, guys, on the NEO exchange here in Toronto as of yesterday. Any plans for maybe a shift to the US, in the coming future, and what else can we expect from the company?
Well, I think that the company obviously is interested in cross-listing. We'll certainly look at, we're looking into that, and I think that's going to be exciting, cross-listing, not just in the US, but also in Europe. But at the same time, we're also looking at doing some business in Canada. And to do that, there's it's a number of exchanges in Canada that we're obviously very interested in. I can't really comment on what we're going to be doing in the future unless it's in the CDAR database or in the EDGAR database. But certainly as a public company in both the US and in Canada, there's a lot of things that we have interest in, a lot of things we're working on, and we'll be excited to tell you when we do a press release.
It's an exciting time for the industry, and we appreciate your time. Douglas Borthwick, Chief Business Officer, INX Digital. Guys, check them out. Ticker on the bottom of the screen there. Brand new on the NEO Exchange as of yesterday. Have a great day.
Thank you very much.
There we go, guys. INX Digital.